Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to hide columns and rows in Google Sheets. This tutorial should be pretty straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now, do not worry if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Sheets, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this thing. Now let us get started. Before proceeding with anything else, I want you to make sure that the Google Chrome or the browser that you are using to open Google Sheets is currently up to date, and this is for the reason that we can avoid any unexpected errors by doing so. Now, as you can see, in our Google Sheets file, we already have renamed our Google Sheets. We have a merged cell, we even got currencies, and we got multiple sheets, formulas. And if you're wondering how we made those, we have a dedicated playlist that compiles all the Google Sheets tutorial on our YouTube channel, so you might want to check it out so you won't miss out on any of the tutorials that we have made. But for this tutorial, we are going to focus on how you can hide cells. Now, this is very useful, especially if you made a mistake and you do not want to delete all of those data, and we can easily hide it if you want to. All we have to do is to highlight the data that we would like to, or the column that we would like to hide, by clicking and dragging on those data. And then on the upper panel of our screen, as you can see, we have on our ribbon, we have different options to choose from. But on the left side, we got a very powerful option that we can choose, which is the search the menus. By here, we can type in the word hide. We can hide column, and we got hide rows 3 to 5. We can hide a specific column, like so. So you can see, it hides this column. As simple as that. Now, if you would like to hide a row, type in hide once more. Sorry. Let's say, for example, this row, we would like to hide this one. Type in hide, and you can hide rows 3 to 5. As you can see, it will vanish. And right over here, we got a drop down, in which we can see all of those rows. And as you can see, the numbering here on the left side, we got 1, 2, and it will skip to 6 because we have chosen to hide rows 3 to 5. Now, if you learned something in this video, please drop a like and consider subscribing. And from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.